my GoPro, so this is my phone. Basically everything will probably be recorded on a phone today. So we're going to look at a car. It's raining out, and yeah, we'll have to see what happens. Also, we hit 51 subscribers this morning when I looked, and I was like, that's crazy. If you're subbed, you're awesome, and if you're not, you're still awesome, but you'd be more awesome if you subscribed. We'll cut to the place whenever we meet the guy and show you guys the car a little bit, and if we end up buying it, I mean, you'll know by the video title. This is the new build series. I've wanted Miata for a while, so we'll show you guys a lot more about it whenever we get back. Yeah, I didn't have a whole lot from the transaction. It was an older guy. I just wanted to be respectful, you know, take care of it. But yeah, we'll see you guys whenever we get back to the shop. So we're back. Everything's on my phone right now. I don't have my GoPro, but there she is. Hey, can you do the pop-ups real quick? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So, started cleaning it. Gosh, this thing is disgusting. Just take a look at that. Gary's gonna help me get it looking right. So, yeah, it's gonna be fun. So we got a lot cleaned up. Still not anywhere near perfect, but it's definitely looking a lot better. Making progress. It's disgusting, but yeah, we'll catch you guys in just a minute. This shit looks way different. Okay, a lot of progress. It's kind of cleaned up a little bit. It's not too shabby. Garrett, like, I mean, look at this. Like, what? This looks great. You know, still got the other door panel over here. This whole door is gonna have to be replaced anyways, so it's we'll figure it out. This is super dirty, like, for, you know, probably been sitting for a long time. There's a lot of dirt and like just dust everywhere. He's doing the seats right now. I've been working on the trunk here, so I'm gonna get this finished up here. Yeah, I mean, seats are drying. This thing is bald. Still haven't cleaned up the rest of it. It slicks on the Miata. Oh, look at that exhaust though. Oh my gosh. Yeah. There's a little dirt. Yeah, that's dirt. Yeah, shit. Okay, that exhaust, this shit gotta go. Damn, that is terrible.
Chop it off and just pump her out the side. Ankle burners.
Honestly, that'd be kind of sick. Oh, we found out the e-brake doesn't work at all. She's a hoopty.
Yeah, she'll come around.
She'll come around, yeah. That's the update. I know this video's all over the place. I don't have my GoPro, so it's really kind of difficult to film. My phone's been dying the whole day, so it's, you know, series of events. Look at this thing. It is all cleaned up. Like so. Oops. So much better. Just wow.